Let's get started. Method 1. First, go to the Start menu and type View Network Connections. Open it. Now find your internet connection. If you're using Ethernet, select your Ethernet adapter. If you're using Wi-Fi, select your Wi-Fi adapter. Right-click it and select Properties. Find and select Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4. Click on Properties. Now select Use the following DNS server addresses. Enter the following: Preferred DNS 8.8.8.8, Alternate DNS 8.8.4.4. Click OK, then Apply. Now right-click your network again and click Disable. Wait about 15 to 20 seconds, then enable it again. Now launch the game and check if the issue is fixed. Method 2. Go to the Start menu and type Date and Time Settings. Open it. Make sure Set Time Automatically is turned on. Scroll down and click on Sync Now. Wait a few seconds. Now try launching the game again. Method 3. Open your browser. Go to the Rockstar Games website. Click on the profile icon. Sign in to your account. Once signed in, click on your profile again. Go to Account Settings. Then go to Linked Accounts. If you have any accounts linked, unlink them. Then link them again. Now try launching the game. After following these methods, the error should be fixed.